So this one is from my chemical number 2. Then I put it to my final chemical. It's look like it's working. So the carbon is going out, I think. This is the final chemical. So you can see, I think the carbon is going out and it is floating. Let's see. And this is my first chemical that we need to look at also for this. So this one is something I seen a very good result for this. So you see the carbon is floating out, and it is I think this is the effective way, the number 2 chemical. And after the number 2 chemical, I soak it out to number 3 chemical. So let's see that one. Let's see after the bubbles is done, and we can